Hi everyone, it's Teresa Downham here to talk to you about curb appeal. Now, curb appeal, as you can imagine, is the very first thing that forms an opinion with your buyer. They're driving down the street, they pull in your driveway, and they are looking at the outside of your house. So here's some quick tips on how to make the outside of your house help your buyers to walk in that front door. First is just basic cleaning, mowing the lawn, trimming the lawn, making sure that the driveway is dirt-free, and the sidewalk or your front porch. Those are just basic things. Cleaning the windows on at least the front side of the house. That makes a really big impression. The gutters, making sure that they're all cleaned out. Touch up a little bit of paint. Those are all just some basic house maintenance things. How about if there's any low-lying limbs from trees? That's so that they can see the house better from the road. You know, you want those out of the way. Shrubs to be all nice and trimmed. Other things that you might want to do in case you have like a rusty old mailbox, replace the mailbox. That is really the very first thing, isn't it? There's nothing worse than seeing that and then people form their first opinion from a mailbox. Make sure the toys are out of the yard. How about cleaning up after your pets? That's really important. Or if there's maybe a rusty fence or you know, garbage, of course, needs to be out of the yard. All those things are so important to get a buyer inside the door of your front door. I've actually had people that won't even get out of the car. So that's not right. So if there's any other questions, though, please let me know. I'm happy to help. 585-797-9321. Bye now.